Hi everyone, just wanted to share a little personal update. It's June 9th today, uh, and I'm having another flare up of COVID. I started getting a fever again 3 days ago, and I has started having really weird neurological symptoms like disassociation and like an empty brain. The good news is it means I feel calmer. I don't have my regular anxiety. And I remember when I made my first video about coronavirus, I also felt like this weird sense of calm. I think that's like a neurological symptom. So, anyway, it's June 9th. My first symptoms were on March 3rd. How many months is that? Is that 3 months now? Um, I was able to order a home test kit yesterday for myself and for Matt, which will be good for Matt because he's expected to go back to his office in some capacity in the next week or two, and it'll be good for him to have a negative test result. I'm not expecting a positive test result. It would be very unlikely this far down the line, but if it were to come back positive, that would definitely be interesting 3 months on. And shortly after I was able to order that, I got an email from the COVID Zoe project from King's College London offering me a home test kit as well to contribute to their study. So, um, all of a sudden, I have access to a bunch of tests, which is great. I'm glad things have progressed in the last 3 months. Um, which is a lot faster than anything has progressed for my ME over the last 15 years. But I think one thing I want to make clear is I can tell a very distinct difference between the COVID relapses I'm having versus my regular ME crashes. So my COVID symptoms are kind of going in 5 to 7 day cycles, and I'll feel really well for 3 or 4 days, and I'm like, yeah, I'm really getting over this. And then the symptoms will start coming back. But it's not the same with ME where it's like a crash, like I've done too much and I have post exertional malaise in ME. It's not like that. It's like a completely different cycle of immune responses. And I just want to make that clear because there's a lot of people with ME who are getting coronavirus, and a lot of them are getting the long form. 3 months on, they're still having symptoms, and it's very clear to us that we're still recovering from COVID, and this is not just ME. I don't know how to put it in medical terms, but I want to distinct it, just whatever, because it's weird how a very mysterious illness with common inflammatory symptoms can feel distinctively different from a different disease that has common symptoms. And that's very weird, and I don't have language for that, but it's very clear to us we're still recovering from COVID. Um, so I'm not expecting positive results from the test kits that come in, but I'll let you know how it goes and what the experience is. And yeah, right now I have a headache all the way from the top of my spine all the way through to the top of my head, which was the headaches were my first symptoms the first time, and they were my first symptoms the second time. And I've had a low fever. It's not high, it's 37.6, which is 99.7, I think, Fahrenheit. So it's not high, but I don't tend to fever anyway. I've got chills, and my chest tightness is coming back a little bit, and I couldn't get out of bed yesterday. So today I'm hoping to be able to sit up and do a little bit more work. I only got about a half an hour of emails done yesterday. Um, I have more beauty boxes I would really love to do videos for, so we'll see. Um, that's my update. Coronavirus sucks. And yeah.